Hello learners, welcome to Excel with Habeeba. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let's start today's class, that is Perspectives of Teacher Education paper with the unit Professional Ethics, Values and Human Rights. We understood the concept in the previous class. Now we are going to discuss importance of human rights education and value education in this video. Now importance of human rights education, why? For freedom, peace, equality, dignity, hope, love, education, prosperity, justice, food, religion, speech, etc. Now, importance of values. Values act as guidelines. Values tell what one ought to do and what ought not to do. By determining one's thoughts, actions, emotions and reasoning, values constitute a person's identity and character. Values bring quality and meaning to life, making us realize that what we are is more important than what we have. This is very, very important statement we have to remember regarding the importance of values. Now, what is human rights education? Let's understand quickly. Human rights education is all learning that develops the knowledge, skills and values of human rights. As per provisions within Universal Declaration of Human Rights and other international documents and treaties, human rights education can be defined as education, training and information aiming at building a universal culture of human rights through the sharing of knowledge, imparting of skills and molding of attitudes directed to, first, the strengthening of respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms, the full development of the human personality and the sense of its dignity, the promotion of understanding, tolerance, gender equality and friendship among all nations, indigenous people and racial, national, ethnic, religious and linguistic groups. Next, the enabling of all persons to participate effectively in a free and democratic society governed by the rule of law, the building and maintenance of peace, the promotion of people-centered sustainable development and social justice. Now, there are three dimensions to the promotion of human rights education. Number one, knowledge. That is, providing information about human rights and the mechanisms that exist to protect those rights. Obviously, knowing is not enough. How to protect them is also very important. That is what happens in human rights education. Values, second one, values, beliefs and attitudes, promoting a human rights culture through the development of these processes. So, values, beliefs and attitudes are the processes through which we can understand about human rights and follow. Third one is action, encouraging people to defend human rights and prevent human rights abuses. Obviously, that's the important point. Now, importance of human rights education, let's see quickly. The need of promoting and protection of all human rights is important in order to secure full and universal enjoyment of these rights cannot be fulfilled without mass awareness and sensitivity to human rights issues. Now, human rights are a prerequisite for peace, development and democracy, obviously. Knowledge of human rights is the best defense against their violation. Learning about one's rights builds respect for the rights of others and points the way to be more tolerant and peaceful societies. The grand agenda of global peace and prosperity is possible only with the people understanding and imbibing the human rights values. Now, awareness is important in order to resolve the human right conflicts. This matured participation can be achieved only with human rights education. Now, education imparts the skill needed to promote, defend and apply human rights in daily life, obviously. And education is a tool for creating the real idea of human rights and making people know its importance in their daily life. Now, an educated civilization can only know its rights and hence the knowledge to protect it. Now, according to Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of United Nations, Without education, we cannot see beyond ourselves and our narrow surroundings to the reality of global interdependence. Without education, we cannot realize how people of other races and religions share the same dreams, the same hopes. Without education, we cannot recognize the universality of human aims and aspirations. Well said. Now, importance of value education, let's see here. What is value education first? Let's understand. Value-based education lays emphasis on the personality development of individuals in order to shape their future and tackle difficult situations with ease. Importance of value education because it gives the sense of responsibility, sincerity, cooperation, respect, why, how, and when we have to do, and then scientific temperament, sensitivity, and tolerance. Now, importance of value education we understood here. Here is why there is an inherent need and importance of value education in the present world. Let's understand. It helps in taking the right decisions in difficult situations, thus improving decision making abilities. It inculcates students with essential values like kindness, compassion, and empathy. It awakens curiosity in children, developing their values and interests. This further helps in skill development in students. It also fosters a sense of brotherhood and patriotism, thus helping students become more open-minded and welcoming towards all cultures as well as religions. It provides a positive direction to a student's life as they are taught about the right values and ethics. It helps students find their true purpose towards serving society and doing their best to become a better version of themselves. Now, with age comes a wide range of responsibilities. This can at times develop a sense of meaninglessness and can lead to a rise in mental health disorders, mid-career crisis, and growing discontent with one's life. So, value education aims to somewhat fill the void in people's lives. Moreover, when people study the significance of values in society and their lives, they are more convinced and committed to their goals and passions. This leads to the development of awareness, which results in thoughtful and fulfilling decisions. The key importance of value education gets highlighted in distinguishing the execution of the act and the significance of its value. It instills a sense of meaning behind what one is supposed to do and thus aids in personality development. So that's all related to human rights education and value education. I'll come up with the next topic in the next video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.